Hello, I'm now going to show you how to make quizzes in D2L. So first we're going to go to Assessment, Quizzes and Exams. We're going to hit New Quiz. And I'm going to name this Quiz 2. And from here you're going to want to go to Restrictions. And you're going to want to unhide that from users. That's going to make people actually able to use it. And if you want a start date and end date, which will limit when they can see it, you'll want to edit that there. So I'm going to save, go to Properties, and I'm going to add or edit questions. And from here I'm going to go to Import. And so I'm going to browse question library. I'm going to add all 3 items. So there are the questions. And we can change the order from here. And move things up or down as we like. So these questions are shuffled in case we feel that we need to change the order. Then we say done editing questions. And we're going to save and close. And there we have it. There's quiz 2. And quiz 2 has the questions we want.